children, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are well. We are starting offline video classes again due to Corona. So, stay at home, follow Corona precautions. Now I am going to tell you about FA3 syllabus. Now I am going to tell you about FA3 syllabus in 5th class. FA3 syllabus first lesson religions in India. Children, look at these pictures. What are these places meant for? These places meant for worship. What are they called? Temple, masjid, gurudwara, church. Temple is the place of worship for Hinduism. There are many famous temples located at all corners of India. For example, Tirupati Kanakadurga temple in Vijayawada. Next, masjid. Masjid is the place of worship for Islam. Next, church. Church is the place of worship for Christianity. Gurudwara. Gurudwara is the place of worship for Sikhs. Look at this picture, children. This is a Christmas tree. Who celebrates the festival associated with these? Christians. Next, who offers prayers as shown here? Muslims. Can you guess who wear turbans as shown here? Sikhs. Think and discuss. National festivals are celebrated by every Indian throughout the country, whereas some festivals are celebrated by few people only. Why? There are many types of religions in our country, so we do celebrate many types of festivals in our country. Name some of them. Christmas, Sri Ramanavami, Ramjan. Why are some many festivals celebrated in our country? There are many types of religions in our country, so we do celebrate many types of festivals. Say some national festivals, children. Independence Day and Republic Day. When we celebrated Independence Day, every year August 15th, we all are celebrated Independence Day. When we celebrated Republic Day, January 26th, every year we all are celebrated Republic Day. These are called national festivals. Next, look at these symbols, children. What do these names represent? See here, this symbol represent Hinduism, this symbol represent Islam, this symbol represent Christianity, this symbol represent Sikhism, this symbol represent Buddhism, this symbol represent Jainism, this symbol represent Zoroastrianism, this is a Judaism, this is a Baha'ism. See here, children, once again repeated. Hinduism, Islamism, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, Baha'ism. These are the names of different religions adopted and practiced by the citizens of our country. In this lesson, you will learn about different religions in India. Okay, children, understood? In this lesson, you will learn about different religions in India. Look at these pictures, different religions in our India. India is the land where people of different religions and cultures live in harmony with religions, tolerance and mutual respect. It is also the birthplace of some great religions. The message of love and brotherhood is evident in the celebration of different religious festivals throughout our country. What is culture? Culture is the way of life of a group of people, their behaviors, beliefs and values that are accepted and passed from one generation to the next generation. What is religion? Religion is a set of beliefs and practice to worship a superhuman controlling power, the supreme being or deity. Now I am going to tell you about Hinduism. See here, children, this is a Hinduism flag. Hinduism is the oldest religion of the world and the largest religion in the India. What is the oldest religion in world? Hinduism is the oldest religion of the world. What is the largest religion in the India? Hinduism is the largest religion in India. Hinduism is the oldest religion of the world and the largest religion in India. It is also known as Sanatana Dharma. It is also known as Sanatana Dharma. There is no specific person who can be considered as the founder of Hinduism. It is actually a mixture of teaching from Vedas, teaching of ancient dishes, great saints, including religion, customs and traditions. These were carried forward through generations by teachers, dispel relations to help people lead a disciplined social life. For many people, Hinduism is a culture, a way of life, a matter of practice rather than a belief, and it is more than a religion. See here children, observe these pictures. Adi Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhavacharya, Vivekananda. Adi Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhavacharya, Vivekananda are some of the famous advocates of this religion. Who was famous advocates in Hindu religion? Adi Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhavacharya, Vivekananda are some of the famous advocates of this religion. Some of the major scriptures of Hinduism are the Vedas, the Upanishad, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita and Puranas. These are major scriptures. Next, look at these pictures children. Do you know the names of Hinduism gods and goddess? Say here, what is this picture? Identify this god. Brahma, goddess Saraswati, Lakshmi, Vishnu, Shiva, Parvati. Hindus worship a number of gods and goddesses. Along with worshipping idols, Hindus also practice nature worship. According to them, the three lords who rule the world are Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer. The consorts of Brahma is Saraswati, the goddess of learning. Vishnu's consort is Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Shiva's consort is Parvati, who is worshipped as Kali or Kanakadurga, the goddess of power and strength. Who is called the creator in Hinduism? Brahma. Who is called the preserver in Hinduism? Vishnu. Who is called the destroyer in Hinduism? Shiva. Now some famous temples in Hinduism. Temple is the place of worship for Hindus. There are many famous temples located in all corners of India, like Somanath in Gujarat, Badrinath in Uttarakhand, Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu, and Konark in Odisha, Varanasi or Kashi and Kailash Mansarovar in Tibet, China are considered as the holiest places for Hindus. Pashupati temple in Nepal and Angkor Wat in Cambodia are also some well-known ancient Hindu temples. See here children, Mount Kailash, Angkor Wat, Amarnath temple. This is a Amarnath temple. Where is located Somanath temple? In Gujarat state. Where is located Badrinath temple? Uttarakhand. Where is located Rameshwaram temple? In Tamil Nadu. Okay children. Next, look at this picture. Observe what is this? Yoga. Hindus believe in yoga and meditation for their physical, mental and spiritual health. Hindus believe in yoga and meditation for their physical body, mental, mind, spiritual and soul. Okay children. Next, famous Hindus festivals. Observe this picture. Vinayaka Chavati, Pongal, Dasara, Happy Diwali. The famous Hindu festivals are Pongal, Mahasivaratri, Holi, Ramanavami, Krishna Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Dasara, Diwali, Guru Purnima and Onam. These are called some famous Hindu festivals. Okay children, understood? These are called some famous Hindus festival. Today's home task, read at home 60 and 61 page in course book. Thank you children. I will meet in the next class.